Hi Facebook, I'm Tammy. Today I'm at the home of Linda and Tony White. They're in the process of building a new home. I'm going to talk to you about our vinyl windows. They're from Kasson Keller. They're called Smarter Windows. What they've used is a 300 series double hung with grids between the glass. And they do offer different types of grills. They offer flat, which is what you see here. These are flat on the inside of the pane. But they also offer a profiled one that has like a raised edge on the middle. And they actually went with a double hung window. The sashes both tip in to be cleaned. This is how they operate. You just take the latches and flip them to the side, push them up part of the way, and there's little buttons up here on the top that you pull in, if I can get it. And they tip in like this. You can clean them here and snap them back in. They lock like that, you'll hear it click. And the top sash does the same exact thing, so you don't need to go outside to clean them. They did go with the Energy Star rated glass, and I can tell you real quick what that is. So if you understand like U-value and those kinds of things, it's a 0.24, so that's really, really good. It's underneath the requirements for some credits that are out there sometimes. And seeing how they have a lot of the heavier insulation, the spray foam and that kind of thing in their home, the more energy efficient the windows are, the better off they're going to be, less condensation, that kind of thing. And on the outside of the windows, I know you can't see that, but they did what's called a Cambridge casing. It's a wider casing that goes around the window. It's built right on the window, and it's very attractive. Has a pocket for the siding to slide into. Very nice application for sidings, wood siding, vinyl siding, anything that has a thinner profile that'll fit in there. Has a nice, clean, finished look. And they are new construction, so they have a nail flange around the outside to make the installation process very simple. So that's a little bit about the windows, and thank you for watching. Have a good day, Facebook.